guys, did you know that with coconut oil you can clear your dandruff, acne, and even eczema, and it also moisturizes your skin. It will make your hair glow and darker. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make coconut oil. So I'll be using 3 large coconuts. I'll be using this pistol to break my coconuts. I'm done breaking the coconuts. We'll have to rinse the coconut. So I'm done rinsing the coconut. I'll have to bring it out of the shell. This is it. I'm done removing it from the shell. So I'll have to cut it into pieces before blending it with our blender. So you can use a grater and you can also use a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use a grater. So it's still the same thing. I'm done cutting into pieces. So I'll be rinsing it before transferring it into the blender. So rinsing it straight to the blender. I'm done transferring it into the blender, and I'll be adding some water to enable us blend it. We'll go ahead to blend it. We are done blending, and I'll be transferring it into this bowl. A little water. I'll be using this cheesecloth to strain it inside the pot to extract the milk. So I'll still have to do it for the second time so that I'll get more of the milk. So I'll be adding water. A little this time around. And yes, this shaft we have here, you don't have to throw it away. You can use it for your body scrub. That is why everything about coconut is very, very important and useful. So after the coconut, I'll be showing you a video on how to use this for body scrub. So I will have to spray it in a tray for it to get dry. I'll spray it on the tray and I'll have to keep it under the sunlight so that it will get dry. So let's go back to our coconut oil. Wow, this is our coconut oil. Can you see how it looks like milk? This is the milk we extracted from the coconut oil. So now we'll be keeping it for 24 hours for it to separate itself from the water. The milk will be separated from the water. So we'll have to cover it for 24 hours. Yeah, so after 24 hours we'll come back and check it. So after 24 hours you bring it out. Sorry, I forgot to mention, you keep it in a warm area. So this is our oil after 24. So as you can see, the milk has separated itself from the water. As you can see, the water is under while the milk is on top. If you're finding it hard to separate the milk from the water, you can keep it in a refrigerator and let it freeze. Then you'll be able to remove it easily. But if you feel you can remove it this way, it's fine. We're keeping it on a low heat. When you look closely, the oil is coming up. And you make sure it gets dry so that you get enough oil. Yeah, we are done heating it. We'll be leaving it for some minutes to get cold before straining it. Our coconut oil is ready.